In April, GROAZ was given the green light to rebuild the McDowell Mountain Pump Track. Due to some costly maintenance on the county tractor, this rebuild would have to wait until Arizona's summer heat declines. The wait is over. And almost as soon as it started, the tractor developed another leak. Fluid levels were monitored as work continued, but extra manpower would be needed. And that manpower arrives from Engineers Without Borders.
So we're working with the Shanto chapter of the Navajo Nation. Last year we built a pump track up at the elementary school. And so now we're planning to build a more advanced one targeting the high school students at the nearby community center.
What's the update?
Well, we are 11 o'clock, day one, and the track is pretty much laid out.
Looking good.
Initial shaping and packing is done. Take a little breather and get back to it.
Day 2. Time for the finishing touches.
It always leaks, but this is a little excessive right now. Let's see how that works.
Well, we've had the plate tamper now for 3 years. We bought it for Desert Trail's pump track build.
Yeah.
And in between times of use, it sits around a lot. So, probably got a gummed up carburetor. It's gonna go into the repair shop tomorrow.
Mixing. Try to get this thing as damp as possible, but not muddy. Way better going uphill than I thought it would.
No, they're big. The roads are big. I'm like, okay.
For a first run around, that was shockingly good. Like the amount of like tuning we got to do on it is minimal. Doing all that pre-planning actually pays off. Fired.
Oh, it's a little poppy from this roller going into the berm, so just shaved down a little bit.
And just like that, 2 hard days later, the pump track is done. Next up is the skills trail. Stay tuned.